Wakey, wakey, eggs and bacon. Let's do some art. Ready or not, here I come. Here I come. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make curtain cuffs. Now I sell these on my Etsy page, but I'm going to show you how I do it. I use cardboard, and it could be any kind of cardboard, and you see me here softening it up, which is really important. The next process that I do is simply taking my hot glue gun and making designs and patterns, circles, figure eights, whatever kind of patterns you want to make. You can actually do bats. You can do anything that you feel that you can do with a hot glue gun, because after you do this, you're going to paint it.
But the fans, can't you hear them cheer? Can you remember why you entertained?
Now, I choose to put my name on the back with hot glue, and I still paint that. So you can choose what you want to do if you want to put designs on the back side as well, although they will not be showing anytime.
Because we need to create. It's how we operate.
The next thing that I do is I create a border around the edges, and you'll see in a minute that this just makes it look really nice and really gives it a high quality look when the painting starts. Now this is showing how the cuff works around the actual drapes that you're going to be using, and you'll see an up close in a minute that shows you the hot glue and the border that's going to be painted. This step is really important to do even before all of this. Once you cut the pattern out, you need to make sure that it's the right size before you put in all the work.
You could probably make more as the cashier, but the fans, can't you hear them cheer? Can you remember why you
Now I'm going to proceed to paint both sides, front and back.
Calling your name because you know they got your back. Smiles and support even when they see you crack. Matter of fact, what these corporations chose to attack won't hold us back. Let's make a pact to remain on track. Accelerate until we make it great.
You can choose, once you do the first coat of paint, to then go over it with a secondary coat. If you're going to do just kind of a wash across the whole thing, water down your paint and then have a little tissue ready to blot it. Otherwise, you take a small paintbrush and go over all the lines.
I never heard. How absurd. What a shame. Guess I won't get paid.
Of course, my models are showing off what it looks like. They're so cute. It reminds me of Wonder Woman.
Though I don't get paid because of an audio or a clip. Just a sec.
So you will use E6000 and hot glue. The hot glue locks it into place immediately, but you need long-term sturdy glue, so E6000 is my choice.
Trying hard just to persevere.
And of course, before you glue anything down, always do a practice test to make sure that the buckles are exactly where they need to be before you glue them down. As you can see in the picture, I chose to put a silver secondary color on. And you can see that the cuffs can be used in the middle. I actually moved them down low. The bigger cuffs that are on the outside, these ones are slightly different and just a little bit larger, and it just depends on the size of your curtain. So I have basically small ones for thinner, smaller curtain tiebacks, and then larger ones. And they all come from this original piece of cardboard.
Please stay out of our community.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to purchase a set of cuffs in all different colors and sizes, visit my Etsy page at Sufi's Enchanted Gifts.
As we engineer our creations, even when it's just volunteer, you could probably make more.
This is the finished product and my curtains. I also have my curtain project on YouTube, and I will leave the link below. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know what you think. And if you try them, let me know how it went. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.